Hey everybody, this is Christmas Day for me, so I got thinking, what's it like at the North Pole? Well, right now it's pretty dark and gloomy, even though for me it's midday. So I got wondering, what if I go to autopilot, take a heading of 000 degrees magnetic, and just leave it on auto, see what happens, as it's always trying to go north. What happens when you get near the North Pole? So here we are showing a heading. Right now it's at 002 degrees. And I'm just finishing my climb up to 30,000 feet. We're at 001 degrees. There, 000, straight north, magnetic. Look at that. Now we're at 004 degrees. We've got a pretty good bank angle, trying to get that corrected back to straight north. Zero 01. Zero 01 degrees still. Trying to get to go straight north. 005. Now we're turning left again. So now we know. We keep chasing around the North Pole. And we're at 86 degrees 46.1 according to the GPS, which proves magnetic north is not true north. Merry Christmas. Now you know.